Okay, if you watched the video presentation I made for that's 2 days ago for Dow Jones, definitely you would see the analysis that was made and see the insights and the real-time trading, which yesterday generated this little result for us. Okay, and actually today the intention is different, and we are not going to look at indices, and just because I want to up the game a little bit. And like I said, I am going to I'm going to look at USD JPY, that is the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, and the focus is that price would fall. Okay, the focus is that price would fall, and here we are. Okay, all right. Okay, like I said, here we are, and this is the analysis that's currently giving for this, that price would fall. So I'm not sure. I just want to test this tool to see if it really is doing its job. So bad. I'm just gonna go without the tool. Okay. All right. I think it's good. So I'm just gonna go without the tool and then do make the analysis. So the point I'm trying to make here is that we are going to sell the US dollar Japanese yen, and per adventure that price goes against the analysis that is being made. Please kindly note that this is not that I'm trying to say I control the market. Okay, I do not control the market. I only make my analysis based on the tools that I have and the knowledge in the financial trading business. And the intention here is to just to encourage myself, and also to have a diary online where I may come back to maybe tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, and in decades to come, and see my work, and then I can, and also to listen to people, and also their comments and the remarks they make through their comments, or the remarks they make through the comments that they make. So today I'm just kind of like, okay, having it this way, that this is a zone. Price has actually created a zone here and has not broken it, except when it happened here. So if this level, this sell order that I have now, if price breaks above this point, I may be looking at exiting the trade. But yes, I have a sell order, yes, which is all right. I have a sell order which is based on my analysis and based on all the parameters that I have in place to sell GP USDJPY. Now look at this point. So this is the point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, and this makes it point 6. Now this has actually turned into a zone, and the same with the 4-hour time frame. it has actually turned into a zone, so we might be looking for an opportunity to push the market a little bit down from where it currently is, and that is what we are hoping to do. So the same way I did this is the same way I did I went for the analysis for US dollar, sorry, the US 30, which is the Dow Jones. That was the same analysis that I was actually given. That was the same technique, that was the same system, that was the same methodology that generated what we earned yesterday, day before yesterday, and all the trade was actually closed yesterday. So levels are very important, zones are very important in the financial business. So once those are understood, it makes it easier for you to, yes, know what to do next. And when you know what to do next, you have nothing to fear. Sentiments, emotions, everything, you try as much as possible to conquer it, because you have a stable methodology, a stable system, a stable technique of trading and all of that. So that's that. So I have these zones, they are here, and as a day trader, I'm just kind of like looking at it and say, if price doesn't go past this level, then based on some other factors that I've put in place, then I can begin to sell from here. And I'm seriously selling from here, as you can see. So we have that. Then I talked about US 30. Then also the same goes with the USD sorry, the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Okay, that's US dollar Swiss francs, which is also following the same method from here. And one important thing I also would push out is that as a financial trader, you must understand these levels. Okay, as small as these levels are, all right. Now these levels, you as a trader must understand these levels and try as much as possible to build your trading system around it. Now this is also following the same I have with US dollar, sorry, versus I have with euro and the JPY. I'm not sure anybody who knows how to trade will be selling euro JPY at this point, except for long-term traders who are looking for a long-term opportunity to short the euro JPY market. But as an intraday trader that I am, it's a very good opportunity to just yeah, they trade the market and pick whatever. All right, you see, and pick whatever you really want to pick from it. Any 20, 30, 40 pips. This is about 40 pips. Okay, I'm not trading it. I'm not gonna put in for anything. I'm only trading the USDJPY, which is what I'm selling currently. So that is that. So have I mentioned how many? The US dollar Japanese yen, the US dollar Swiss franc, then the euro JPY. Okay, and another one that one can also at this moment still look at is the okay, kind of wait a little bit. Yeah, I think so far so good. Yes, I'm not gonna vouch for New Zealand JPY because yeah, market is kind of looking bullish. If you look at it from the 4-hour time frame, and you see how bullish it has gone, so I'm not gonna vouch for it. Like I said, I'm just gonna wait and hold on until it indicates something else, something more reasonable for me. All right, so we have that. Nothing for gold as at now, and as at this moment, gold is very indecisive, and that's good. It's very indecisive. This was a little trade I took. Okay, and it was positive. You can watch the beginning of this video and see. I took this little trade and it was positive, and you see ever since then it hasn't given anything very significant, and I've not traded anything since then. And also for those that are trading silver, nothing really significant. I love these angles like this, these areas. These are areas I look for in the bigger time frame. As a day trader, I use a 4-hour time frame to do to look for structure. Okay, to look for structure. So, and I think that's that. So on a very good day though, this is my trade, USDJPY, and based on what I have, I'm going to hold. Even if it goes against me, I am going to, yes, the stop loss, I don't have any stop loss, but yes, if there is need for me to have a stop loss, I could just take it off anywhere around above this level, which definitely is going to be about, it's not much, 7-10 pips. All right, so that is that about that. I'm selling USDJPY for today, and let's hope it goes in my direction.